In the second portion of the project, we're going to look at international prepaid plans. We're basically going to be doing the same thing. We're going to have a cost of a plan and then a cost that varies. So again, we're going to use the slope intercept form of a line. Y equals mx plus b, and b is going to be that initial cost, and m is going to be what changes per unit. So we're going to write some equations for all of the countries listed. So number one, we're going to write an equation for voice function, and then we're going to find the total cost for 100 minutes. In addition, you're going to be asked to, I think, graph 4 of the countries. So you can go to Desmos graphing, and that will graph for you, and then you can take a picture and probably insert a slide. I don't think it'll let you put the picture over this graph. Unless you make a copy of the document, it might work. But just know that you can go to Desmos Graphing, take a screenshot of the section you need. You're only going to need the first quadrant. Graph 4 of the countries, identify what they are. You're going to go ahead and calculate the cost for 100 minutes of voice. You're going to do the same thing for data and text and graph there as well. So there'll be 3 pages that look like this. And then lastly, you're going to put everything together. So you're going to come up with a new function that has all 3 of them together. So you may want to go with x equals minutes.
Casey Giles, please come to the office. Casey to the office.
T equals text.
He just left my room. He was looking for his computer.
M equals megabytes. And go ahead and come up with your function for each country, and then you can decide how many minutes, how many text, how many megabytes you want to use. You cannot use 0, so it has to be some positive number. And just go ahead and calculate, find the total cost for each country, and then answer the follow-up question of which one would you use, and or which country costs the least and which is costs the most, and you can go from there.